Oh wait, can we not go? Pretty bad. Wait.
What? There's guys up here.
Oh, hit! Where is he? One out. I got one out. There's someone. He peeked. Where is he? Where is he? Isn't that Foley?
There's someone there.
Wait, our team?
Yeah.
Okay, so red's ours, okay.
Let's advance to the tower.
Huh?
Let's advance to the tower.
Okay. Oh! Where is he? We're clearing here.
Clear?
I hear someone. Oh shit.
Airsoft does not suck.
David! Go!
He's down, give me up!
Okay. Is there anyone back there? Go, go! Watch that side.
We got one.
No! Ah! He tried to come after me.
Watch out for the Reaper, boys! Yeah.
I got shot with the
Your hop-up's kind of slowing it up.
Huh?
Your hop-up's on.
Do you know how to do that?
Hey, half our team is in front of you guys, so let's move up.
Wait,
Hold up, guys. We have questions, and you guys want to know the answers. So, we have 4 of these small cases that I can find. I know there's another one in there somewhere. And then there's the big cases. Okay? These are where